Before we go, how about we hear from the reigning queens of UAAP volleyball? As her time with NU officially comes to a close, three-time MVP and champion Bella Belen showed great appreciation for the 11 years she's been with the school. The Lady Bulldogs, led by Belen, practically defined the current era of UAAP women's volleyball. They won 3 of the last 4 championships, including this season, after yet another dominant campaign. Here's Belen following yesterday's championship clincher. If you're wondering, why you crying, Vela? Well, it's all to do with what she'll miss most about her career with the blue and gold.
Ako siguro yung mga teammates ko talaga and yung community. Kasi yung teammates ko matagal ko nang nakasama yun. Parang halos 11 years ko na sila nakasama. So, pag siguro nilook back ko yung panahon ko sa NU, sila agad yung una kong maalala. Hindi yung championship, hindi yung mga trophy, kumbaga yung pagsasama namin. Kasi yun yung hindi mapapalitan ng kahit sino. Kung ano yung nabuo naming samahan. Yeah. I'm very thankful din na sa NU ko napunta and hindi ko sinukuan yung pangarap ko and sa NU ko siya tinuloy. Kasi parang halos kalahati ng buhay ko na sa NU po ako. Kalahati talaga, 22 na po ako 11 years ako sa NU. Kumbaga, inalagaan po nila kami. Hindi nila kami tinuring na parang basta player lang. Tinuring kami na parang anak talaga sa NU. Malaking part siya ng buhay ko na pwede kong madala sa susunod na career ko.
The same goes for Alyssa Solomon. With her collegiate years over, the superstar opposite hitter is confident with how the Lady Bulldogs will fare even without her and Belen. As for what's next, Solomon is keeping her doors open to any opportunity.
Sobrang saya kasi may iwan kaming legacy sa mga bata and ayun, sana ma-apply din nila yung may iwan namin sa kanila. Pero dito pa rin naman kami to support them and to guide them pa rin. Pahinga muna yung nilook forward ko. And then, kung may opportunities overseas, sige, grab natin. And yun, kasi for experience na rin naman yun. Pero kasi may alas din po eh. So, siguro yun din muna, alas din. Let's see. Open naman po ako sa kahit anong opportunity sa akin. So, yun po. Pero for now, talaga, rest muna yung katawan po.